What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here. And in the last couple of videos, you guys saw that I'm currently trading a $1.8 million Apex portfolio. We were at 1.2 before, and now we are at $1.8 million. And this is our first trade on the account. We are currently up about $500 per account. Like I said, we have 7 accounts worth 250K. So 250K times 7 is about 1.85 million, and we are in this EU short right now. I took this during the Asian session last night because the setup was beautiful, and I anticipated that news was gonna continue this move to the downside, which we have in about 27, 28 minutes. And so that's currently what we're waiting for. You can see we're in profit, and let me go ahead and break the trade down for you guys. So weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4-hour bearish. If we go to the weekly, I'm gonna show you guys where it is bearish. This is the last structure point on the weekly. This is the last high over here, and this is the last low. Everything in between is just microstructure. Macro structure is this weekly time frame. I don't usually go to the monthly, but unless I have to. For now, don't really need to go to the monthly. Weekly, you can see this is the last high, last low. Everything in between, like I said, is microstructure. Daily, you can follow this all the way down, and you will find that this right here is the last high, and this is the last low on the daily. All we're doing is breaking and retesting time frames. If we do a top-down analysis, all we're doing is breaking and retesting. You see the daily was bullish, then this was CPI, I believe, or FOMC, which caused the move, the shift in structure to go bearish. Retested that structure point, beautiful push to the downside. And now we're retesting this area right over here. And if we go down to the 4-hour, all I'm doing is targeting this 4-hour low. You guys can see that this is the last high up here, and this is the last low. We broke, came back, retested this daily structure, and we're currently headed to the downside to take out this 4-hour low. That's exactly what I'm targeting, and it's about a 1 to 2.9, 1 to 3. You can say somewhere around there. And if we go down to the 1-hour time frame, you can see the shift of structure. Beautiful shift of structure. On the 30-minute, we have this last high, we have this low, then we have this last high that was created, and right after that, you can see this break of that low that created the last high. If we go to the 1 hour, that is a bearish engulfing. Beautiful entry. This was around 9 o'clock at night. So beautiful push, and it gave us some bit of drawdown. Not worried about that as long as it doesn't break this high. Wherever I put my stop loss is the high that I use. Wherever I put my stop loss is the high that I use to invalidate my structure. So that means if price goes above this, it's most likely going to shift structure and push to the upside. So wherever I place my stop loss, that's usually my invalidation zone, meaning that price is most likely going to reverse. So after this bearish engulfing, I entered, and you can see the nice push to the downside. So we're just waiting for news in about 26, 25 minutes. And I'll update you guys from there. And I'm also looking at potentially taking US 30 as well. But I need this drop down here. Then my setup to present itself, which may happen, especially because of news. And then you have the 930 push on indices, which will most likely push price down, and then I'll take it to the upside. I'm only looking to take price to the upside. I'm not looking to take it to the downside because anything could happen. All I'm doing is trading the higher time frame structure. All the other USD pairs are bearish as well. Nice setups on these. I was expecting GU to push up a little more before I took it, but it wasn't the case. EU presented a nicer entry, so I took that one instead. Same thing with AU. AU actually gave a nice tap into the area of interest and a nice bearish engulfing candle. Not much structure. That's the only problem I use. Not much structure presented itself, so that was a no-go for me. NZD, I was looking for a push-up more 2 on that one, which I didn't get. And yeah, that's about it. Gold as well. I need gold to break this 4-hour low. So I need something like this. I need gold to break this 4-hour low, retest, and then we'll take it from here if we get some nice price action. That's probably going to happen sometime tomorrow or the next day. So that is all I'm looking at right now, just US 30 and EU. Those are the only 2 pairs I'm looking for right now. If US30 doesn't present itself, simply don't take it because I'm already in EU. I'm only going to take US30 if EU is close to TP or hits TP. So that's about it, guys. I will continue to update you guys, especially when news hit. I'll probably start recording a couple of seconds before news hits. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we have news in about 15 seconds. Let's see what price does. I'll show you the current profits at the moment, up about 500 bucks on each account. Let's see what news does. News should push down. 5 seconds. Let's see what this does. Oh, pushing it up. Okay, not worried about it. Not worried about it. Should get that push down. Should get that push down. Not worried about it. Come on, baby. Get that push down. Let's go. Let's get that push down. You don't want to go up. No, you don't want to go up. I just know you don't. No, you don't want to go up. Do we have other news? Let's see. I was expecting prices to just shoot down. But again, still clean setup, very clean setup. A setup I'll take any day. Let's see, 4, 3. Down about 250. This is the only news we have for the day. I know you want to push down. You just don't want to push up. I know it. I know it. Stop playing around. Let's see what US30 is doing. US30 still in the same spot. Let's see the other pairs. Still waiting for gold to break the lows. All right, guys. Looks like nothing really is happening. I'm still expecting this to push to the downside. This is nothing. News usually does whatever it wants to, and I don't really pay attention to it. The setup is clean, and fundamentals are just going to align with the technical. So, not worried about it. I'll continue to update you guys on this trade as it continues to play out. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys. So I decided to double down on this EU short as it gave me a better entry as well. So I'm 2 positions into EU shorts on each account. On 2 positions. So it was 3 positions. Excuse me. It was 3 initially, then it turned to 6 because I added another position on each account. So we are currently in drawdown, but again, no big deal. As long as this trade plays out, we are good. We are good as long as this high doesn't get taken out. So I'm going to hold this and we'll see what happens. I'm back, guys, and we just got stopped out of this trade. Still looking for, well, probably done for today. May look for a re-entry, but I know tomorrow's a bank holiday, so there's not going to be any trading. So I think this is probably going to be it until tomorrow's Wednesday, Thursday. US30 did not come back as expected. Still have time for it to come back, but I think I might just sit on my hands for the rest of the day at least until Thursday. And yeah, that is it. Took 1 loss on the account, about $1,000 loss. No big deal. Now we're going to start risking 500 bucks per trade. So let me go ahead and exit all of these before my limits get hit. Make sure. Yep, so we're good. All right, so that is the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Came with a loss, but it is not a big deal. We are going to continue to push forward, look forward, and we'll see what we can catch in the next trade. I'm going to be sure to, well, I'm going to try my best to record. If I can, I can't. But I'm definitely going to show you guys whether, after the aftermath, if I can't record in the moment. So that is it, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.